These are the craziest nature videos from the past 10 years. This snowboarder in Nevada accidentally triggered a giant avalanche. This giant boulder came within inches of crushing this house. Unfortunately, 2 other boulders managed to break free and destroy the other side of the house. In Pakistan in 2018, these people got a little too close to this avalanche. In 2020, this plane was struck by lightning when flying over Finland. In 2019, this cruise ship near Norway encountered some heavy seas.
Get that on video.
It's officially over.
In 2021, these people were rock climbing in Japan when an earthquake happened. This video from 2015 shows some sailors about to take on a giant wave.
That's God.
In 2021, these firefighters were driving through some pretty crazy wildfires in California. A 6.7 magnitude earthquake interrupted this couple's wedding. This dad tried to save his trampoline from being blown away in the wind.
Bennett, get out of there!
He will get taken too.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Bennett!
This video from Guatemala is probably the only video in the world like this.
Dicen que es grande, ¿va mucha?
Whoa!
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo
agarraste.
Ah, lo agarré, cabal.
Sometimes during a snowstorm, you can actually get lightning.